Koto Abamwe. Bringing time to 33 after 3 on 106.3 Adom okay ho na boy ho ba dru sam pempens we dey sene fata say dey so na ase nyina na ho aye nyina ye dey 6.3 FM. FM Jerry Justice. Yes, as usual, Papa Bill Swaha, Jamestown, Jiko Waha, African Swaha, and now also baby I want to all him say and one yedi be a queen not just say a queen anymore. If I talk me coming to Facebook, I cry hona. Yen sha mouth on my word of Facebook when I fear to ask a queen. Jiko come to move. Obama de anu yi back home. What the people when him come. Ya fina ko ye normal cotton handkerchief and ya area bay. If you feel to add the paper, oh, I do. Eat to try. For a disposable handkerchief, we back paper we are now we're disposing of. Sharp now corner. Nebons when you're available at town baby. I and a kitwa comment say yeah or purse and now pocket and now handbag a fit to come. Disposable handkerchief brain me check Delta paper meal for you. Omo ma achede pi na yes obey and so be following when social media pages I would want so at Delta. Yes, your number one immune booster and also I can for them we say open do be immune stroke the diabetes to be kwentiano na fe won so we adwuma keto bia na ote obre wa post down na ya Dominion about powder be do a cage and our face where Hallows Herbal or can she drag lane King's Walk Herbal can she drag lane Little George Health Shop Tema Community Fire Repatch Ventures a honina it's a 0543 158 195 our face 020 429 the Obasima seal and also a special seal yeah ne AGI and the Ghana Standards Authority Akabo Act no 18 essential vitamins and minerals. Ye here ma onipa dua ye mpom de ho nsem no matimi gina ye pa. You must stay healthy, stay strong. Afa yen twa roll call kakra ntwina. Sure baba. Nice songs pa. And I would dragumo. Ya chese would dragumo ye US. Ono so etie bi no hwe bi. Afa shop. Na fe Tekute. That's John Tekute. I am watching you live from Italy. Brescia. Yes, more Vim. Vim there, yeah. I feel Hannah Jampo. That's a good afternoon, Jerry. Good afternoon to you. Victoria Brockway. Honestly. The TV carration. As a man can see beyond you at it. God bless us all. Okay. I feel a man, Joan, or say Brad Jerry, and I was wood. That's your lovely Twinkle, Chantel. Chantel also said, it's your mom from Cecia, me patro joining me on Facebook. Well, man, Facebook roll call Nana me and one way and one of me dragoon. What I say? I mentioned Dan Kasa Humbebre because they say no. Me am who say Ghana no. Udi echiabe kasasa because oman for nan kasa no film panifo so kosim kola so na yenye ya adwen se e pe change papa yenye ya adwen se e pa e film panifo so kosim kola so ade ne se e se free so ana ka se nyina enti ade ne nye e obe okromu asa enti bra na e bresa oh ya kofa yesu ba kra na ya asese yesu ban ne yenye why Tipacho join me say videos of our time. Me video no me training na me sisa because ana makoma never be say no do mean to me. Mean to me o. Pacho yen show video no say Joko pia 2 months say na. Yen kan video no asem kaka. Nipa ansahwe o. Da bia ya meka no. Sign there, a sign wo ho. What I say? Hwe abrochire nyina akra no akwanhia timisi but the swan no a ye betimi aswa no but we don't do it. Some time ago me refi year ko me call South Africa that morning your friend saying oh he credit say oh kwaku There are more 4 person almost no various flights no baby air corner or their banner near the other. Twin schedules near the now accident see in the morning now. I involve school but obi can want something say. They couldn't get it why say SSA akwanhia involving because ya share or say school bus ne there and you call places like America they overtake the car no ojina say ojina on echi na o twen ema o sim kola ni wie na bus ni two before so school kola ni bi wuye. Now from the airport car still it was the same news they were talking about me could do on the TV channel be albert ana I chase a crane 90 pine mo kromu omo kat am kromu there a boom na man for breadwinners about chase a go for video ni tum. It's very sad the rate at you betimi aka pa say kroyi a etimu you sura you wu anti and they say ni ade kra. Compare the number of people who are dying out, find solutions to some of these problems. Should be the other more joining on Facebook. Just look at this. Akwanhia see another year. This very afternoon. And Akwanhia we see a boy. A one as Akwanhia see. Ya abobo ya o Ghana. Abobo ya na ya tam onipa na to abobo ya mu. Lord have mercy. Ghana da ben. Who da from here? Na ya tam ne de no to abobo ya mu na ya tam de ne ko hospital. Train people be go home betimi assist you nipa nkra betimi ahwe ne. Look at this. Yeah. Abobo ya. This very afternoon and ade na si na ocean. Look at him show no on Yisa. And ye di kire we. Akwanhia o this very afternoon. Na hwe ya kasa sika die bebre dual carriage way akeke ye betimi aye ya kasa betra ne akasa ne akon na trans ne akasa and then you see these politicians omo age technocrat adwuma nyina ye okromu a asem bia si a ebema expert na kasa happen in my country Ghana ahade politician ba akofo betra radio so no pa ono ana betra ba chechim if it had to do with mechanical issues ono ana ba chechim eya dia oberante sa near the sea no show omu nyina the same thing difference be any omu kasa sa de bebre bi omu den. This is one of our highways so sa baby adenasi no janye bia that stretch no di ambulance ba ko bi kra ni o that am rely on aboboya and their form to save their lives. Now, Bobo, ya di puku. Now, they may yet so painful. They say, after doing your bit, I was with him. Say what they people pay taxes. Yesterday, 3 days ago, I was talking to a brand person or called Takra or catch us or called Takra the police. Or say, or what school near fam. No, so funny, Pamombe, such a brilliant idea. Let's have me fam. And I'm starting business kakra. Business in baby am to one uncle we aba. You be get taxes here am starting pukra no. How is the business even doing? Mo dia mo buy I must say I am not doing it. I'm not gaining anything. Or say okofa some students cry from Tema Tech. Our more year into electricals near day. Do baby no. The frustration was just too much. Or catch them even a quite offer to put just to register the business and no crane abo bi din. Uber. Say we are meeting me a survival na me ire ne me maso be survive enyema binum say ye betimi aye ne aboa nkrofo ya aboa mabru ba kwa ben ye betimi afa so to empower people. We will not do it na ko kasa system ne nya adwuma so a no mo ba bedi watem but hwe obia ye de opre okrumu because am na nya adwuma me wan panifo so tikura mu ene no mo ko basa which a betimi asi and we have to use abobo ya and yet they are francophone the Omako hospital. Why? I'm not police near down and a road wedding and insurance. Musu mo na nis idea we be. But when me can now, they call the person say a road wedding tino inquire there. You have a problem with me. But what about the road? Dear China medical cano. I'll come a for nothing. Be dear child, one will be Yakumari. And the Juma be bro, a bed in 2 days and 5 years. Maybe I can call. Kiso for Adama. Beautiful, ladies in the music industry near there. Again, Hofe, send the cancer now, just say. Because the system is not working. The system is not working at all. Hey, Ghana! Oh, no.
Bad girl, bad boy, La Russo again. You wanna stop me for no reason. That's why me got me, I know you be pretender. To fool me, don't be your agenda. Jehovah, there's some inside. No. Hey, and be so fake, I just feel sentence, so I drop.
They are kind of simple for betting on the edge, man. One.
Spray them like Sean.
The first was the Adom Master and then put man paint depot. Patron a amount between 5 and 10% discount on quality security doors with Turkish, German, and Italian technology. Over 100 designs and colors to choose from. The endorsement range from glass doors, flash doors. If that doors at Nina, you'll be a honor. Or buy a painter from one, so I need. Yeah, Euro standard painting, range from acrylic to emulsion, enamel, road marking paint, marine coating, waterproofing, dampproofing, wallpaper, wall primers, potty, any facility. No, this can get ready. Bra, na ebeje painting never quiet BBR. Na your more time never treat you and crack bra into Konya na abadia mama. Moshe share door master and put my paint depot chakwan. Away put my two booth on the acre. I fee 050-021-2447. Stadium perform a transaction. You'll be required to present a valid national ID card, and yes, I share an amount. Now in a safe and secure manner. That's why we go together. Just mow it everywhere you go. It's in Pacho say malaria fever and quandia. Mental maninku. Mount Sanka time about mixture. I feel when I'm you buhuni now, so no ebeko. Now per se speedy up a healing process now. And I can for K&G about and I face Zido Sebani now can she drug lane. And I feel Ekus Pharmacy, by class, Larry, now with Dama Pharmacy now as well, Shaman 244-417-669. Now you didn't come or come apart. It's in the building. And Tiana didn't come out of it. Fantana Aquaba.
Thank you.
Oh no, this one they try. Like Aquaba, you can't Aquaba, just to say. Fantana, this one they Aquaba. Obe, just to say.
No, yeah.
Because Aquaba, because hey, at the same way, and Aquaba way.
Yeah.
Oh, Fantana, young call back a crown. I mean, tell us about yourself. Fantana,
Coffee. Yeah.
Friend what?
Francine. Yes.
Coffee.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I'm from the Inzamar region. Yeah.
And do you speak it?
No, but I understand.
You understand? So familiar with them, but okay, later on we'll get to that one later on. All right. So and so Auntie, almost country. They were born there, all right, but almost country fine. So how come they
and stuff like that? But I mean, my mom and them, they were speaking Tree, but I was still speaking English back then.
No. Was it that you didn't get the opportunity to, like, be with people who were speaking Tree?
Yeah, because like all my cousins and all of us. But we understand.
This is serious. but you do attempt the Albert Young.
Yeah, oh yeah.
The reason why we Shiana, then we talk some more about it. But let's try to, at what point in time now who say no? Or that's like too.
There I started like listening to like the Afrobeat music, and then I started following the industry in Ghana because of Ebony. Yeah.
Okay.
And so then I really liked Rough Town because of her. So then I just started listening to everything she was doing. So that made me really like what they
and unfortunately we dream to be with Rough Town. Yeah, and to me, we will come back to that. But now tell me, after we develop that interest, and that's that link for
America. I went to school in Florida, and over there's not a lot of Ghanaians, or there's not a lot of Africans, but there was this one lady that was Ghanaian. So because I was in the Bullet, Yeah, that they're mates. She's an older lady, yeah.
Okay.
And so I think she was just talking to Bullet, and then I was like, wow.
On to Ghana. Now we are very much, like I don't like with me industry no.
Yeah, I mean, even like I just kind of already knew like this is what I was gonna do, but obviously I had to prove myself to Bullet, and then he
back down to Ghana with you, Bullet, Rough Town, and then and you did it, and so so about the same, and then suddenly
it was like he's like a big brother to me still, and so I don't know, things just didn't go the music in Ghana for a while, and they still haven't, so me when I came I didn't really have to do too much to get Ghanaians' attention for at least coming through Rough Town, and not having to really struggle is the thing that I can be grateful for. Yeah.
All right, but a lot of people also more in the shade. Is it true?
No, that's not really true, but I feel like it got to a beginning. I can keep them, and the things that I learned by myself, I feel like now if I step away from the record label and I just become independent, but now being off of Rough Town and being independent, it pushes me to have to do more at the end of the day. So I feel like if I have issues, maybe like we didn't understand some things and miscommunication.
But people were like, well, oh.
So I'm saying like, so for me, I was just saying how I felt at any time. If anywhere, I'll just say how I feel. So I mean,
okay, so sort of time you at a point you thought, or you
not she didn't like it, but maybe like at the end of the day when you're the only female
or probably you were getting the attention,
start feeling uncomfortable, or maybe you start feeling like someone is going to become like a competition towards you, then it'll make you move a little bit. And people take things differently.
Sure.
So yeah, so maybe to her I was probably like a competition, but to me I just wanted to, okay, we're all working under the name of Rough Town, so let's just do what we have to do.
All right. So now, what's the but you guys talk?
No, we don't talk or anything. No, we don't talk. But I'm cool. Everybody, I'm cool with the whole Rough Town, because at the end of the day, I did come through them. And as for Bullet, like what
you receive a call from Rough Town that they're in the studio, they're recording a new song, which. If it should happen,
it depends.
Let's say from their part, if it should happen, would you accept?
And it depends on who's asking.
No, collaboration is collaboration. I mean, probably girls thing,
So I mean, it depends. Like I said, it depends on how I feel that particular day.
All right, all right. Okay, so now, and that of Rough Town, if you put the two together, which one would you say about them? But let's just be honest. I mean, with your experience with Rough Town and your current record label.
So I'm not under Rough Town.
Okay.
Yeah, so there's no difference. It's just that now I'm not on a record label, so I'm by myself. So.
For you, in the music industry, ever since you touched down to do music here in Ghana?
Yeah, it was on live stages or maybe in person. I didn't have time to like practice how to do certain things, so I was getting criticized a lot. I knew what I was doing, and I was but I didn't know what I was doing, so I couldn't really talk back. I just had to take what people were saying to me and work on it. Yeah.
All right. So now let's talk about the new joint. Tell us about it.
So my new single, No Darling, produced by Mixmaster Garzi, and it was written by my manager Turas, and it's just like an Afro dance hall
song. That's my boy. Turas actually wrote that song.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Yours, for that one I know. So what does yours talk about?
Oh, mine is about love.
It's about love.
Yeah, it's sexual.
And probably find out how sexual it is. Yeah. All right, so guys, this is No Darling.
Me, I mash it up. But you don't say me, I miss you so. I didn't when you inside my face. So I come straight to the action when we did face to face. Hope you know how to touch a bum. Rock it harder. Let me give you that boom. Take me higher. When I give you that darling. Make my body vibrator. No, darling, no. Make me scream for me maker. No, darling, no. Make my body vibrator. No, me walk a shade, kwa. See your bed, my miss one now. Kwa. Squeeze me harder. Me want a man who go rock me, power no power. Take me higher like I smoke one roll. Other cocky me a split and roll. Rock it your place, I'm your place. Inside my face. So when I come straight to the action, when we there face to face. Hope you know how to touch my body, how to work me good. Let me give you that boom, boom. Take me higher. When I give you that boom, boom. Rock it.
They say, what the Onipa or told you no.
I can't wait.
If after recording the song, if the song is playing now, Onipa no so air to be. Sometimes it helps you. Baby, man, maybe this time around, Metia Asem now can you.
All
right,
yeah, mash it up. But you don't say me, I miss you so. I come your place, I'm your place. I can't wait. So when I come straight to the action, when we there face to face. Hope you know how to touch my body, how to work me good. Hope you know how to touch the body, yeah. How to work me higher. Okay. Give me that bum bum, rock it harder. Let me give you that bum bum. Take me higher. Make her, no, darling, yeah. Make my body vibrate. No, darling. Squeeze me harder. Me want a man who go rock me proper. Caput on me a sweet like Fanta. Smoke one roll, other cocky me a split and roll. That bam bam, rock it harder. Let me give you that bam bam bam. Take me higher. Boy, you know say me I miss you so. I come your place, I'm face inside my face. So when I come straight to the action, when we there face to face. Hope you know how to touch my body, how to work me good. Hope you know how to touch the body, yeah. How to work me good. When I give you that bum bum, rock it harder. Let me give you that bum bum. Take me higher.
Man, you lose.
How to work.
Don't be plenty talk, yeah.
How to touch the body.
Also releasing date bang
26th February.
of February. Okay,
Yeah.
So far, how is it doing?
Oh, it's doing good. A lot of everybody likes this song.
Get it. I mean, talk to them about it.
Oh, okay. So the new song, the title is called No Darling, and it's up to go to my YouTube channel, which is under the name Fantana. And you just subscribe to my YouTube and my social media handle. My Instagram is at I am Fantana.
I am Fantana.
Yes.
Okay.
And my Twitter.
But on Facebook it's Fantana.
Yeah.
All right. Okay. So if I know people can contact you, through those and are you available? Like if they want to put you on such events?
Yeah, I'm available, and the number is.
Still, I may I say, meka akwabana went me answer. Okay. Akwaba say yenya. Next time when I meet you and I ask you, when to media, I know this one.
Yeah, I know. I'll learn.
So yeah.
I'm gonna learn.
I'll tell you for. All right, so it's been nice, I check your time now. It says course time. Yes. 20 after 4 what says cut.
No, darling.
Stay tuned.
You scream for me, maker.
Na yemfa no so intuitive mu.
No, darling.
Ne yenkoye ni mu.
Body vibrator.
Want to our faces, like remembering the good old days. But what's even better is when that smile lasts for generations. For innovating to stay ahead of the game with key brilliance, but stayed true to who we are. That's bright. Happy Independence Man. Kiss up. Still a man sign for. Biabekubia no be wash on with soup on the running water. Provide our service stations. Nina. No be keep a minimum distance of 1.5 meters with other customers and our full attendance. No way to minimize cash transactions. Ube sneezy and our coffee is to tissue for cover here and answer one. We pen disposing off into a bin immediately. From Fantana.
You know how to touch the body, yeah. How to work me good. When I give you that bum bum, rock it harder. Let me give you that bum bum. Take me higher. No, darling, no. Make my body vibrator. No, darling, no. Make me scream for me, maker.
See your mama messing to say it crack. Hey, Hey.
Squeeze me harder. Me wanna lucky for me just
Say Royal Apple, Royal Cola, Royal Orange, Royal Cocktail.
other cocky me a split and roll.
If you go like them. They are available in a shop near you. At just 2 cedis 50 pesos. We another quality product from Casa Preco Camp and now 0272 133 373.
My face, inside my face. So when I come straight to the action, when we out of work me.
So whatever your favorite food is, new Gino Max 12 grams class special.
Let me give it up.
Enjoy your meals like never before when prepared with Gino Max shrimp with pepper. Breaking it down, Eddie Amawono. What I say, you want Gino Max shrimp. And you want Gino Max shrimp with pepper. And you want or that special stew
Me want a man who go rock.
for your family, friends, or loved ones. Give it a touch of flavor. Tablet. There's a flavor to satisfy everyone. Gino truly cares.
Take me
In 5 minutes, with Sans Coach. Hey, Jonah, we are walking there.
Adom, Aquavia Michiano, I said, but I'll got your black.
You go so crack.
Yeah, the trading for Yanko from Basa Yadom Nasi.
Yes.
Around the world in 5 minutes.
Sharp.
Brother, if say, first round, no, Odi 1 hour. Benjamin.
Okay, Traso. Say, first round.
What the million I will say, box and say, more than 1 hour. What about Hagen tightly? That is, I say, a drone D.
Yeah, no, what about the other drone? I say, Branty.
A drone D.
Drone is in
The state of America. And now, maybe a story be make us say, Anthony Fauci. And they were Bab and Tia Babekasa. Donald Trump.
Wakasa.
Also Republicans no they should go and yet political issues. So they should go and take the vaccine.
That's a good
one.
That's some Nessie.
Sir, my stories continuously make us say COVID-19. I say I didn't have vaccine, but I say what day? I say I hold do a win. I am a cram a bed the crash or two. Just say still now Brazil. I won't say your Krobu your friend in Sao Paulo.
Yes, Debbie.
Oh, sir.
Brazil.
Roger, my country was make Australian English.
Oh, sorry.
Work and ma and answer we your beer ubufu obi ho na opese can yemegu. Obu ani bufu a. Opese obo near ma and
because the buafu
nti. And I no sha. Me meji say ewo eye European, but Ghana had them
UK, US, even Asia or cry for no Middle East for EB so ye bisa. Arabs ni bi o.
Say woko na say ubufua. Na wako papa ni ama na ho. Free now you are was olepi. Ai, it is to say studio hey. Yes TV. Oh, Tanya man ye di ni nyina gu. Wo ye ko papa no you are so.
It is say bibia a show so ama abufuo na ba no.
Good.
Instead senka.
Good.
And the man for to vent their anger.
Yes.
Yeah. And you be okrom we.
Ewa he.
Mekari.
On san ka be kan bibi. Tanzania. Opese me ka tili kasa. Omudi Tanzania shilling. A very nice country.
Okay.
Dodoma any capital town. That folly. Now when him say do some days bi na say ompie. Ena yakwachi police fo ewo ahade which I say ya shisha brantie na akwache no say die enti
falsehood
yes say woman wo dey to platforms so social media ni ade ka say o president eyare it's too you know that is that. It's brother na just say no
okay
now brother me this no
okay obisa me but on social media I think it was on Instagram also and that is Scott always talking about ladies. No, it was on Twitter. Yes, it was on Twitter. It was
my headache.
Okay, I'm see bo me nana.
Me no wan ko bisa. So who na who came.
Hey, come back we walk over there. We pass mo. Me says
Oba, she. Where the 18, 19, 20. What started using what we call tightening creams. And may
no there. Na eno ebesum de.
Na 18, 19. Where you so tight.
Lady na dey know what. let me my share no direct na me share but dos
ma je ru hu dia
dia yidi
emre na so
dia yidi o de mi hu onipa no kra otie hwe was send was it please it is me Jamis, I hope I got your name right. Or say na yenwume no send us good evening Braje tipa chowe de one now man answer
kacha
me hwehwe na me hu na no
embema omo be hwehwe na anaju omo pese omo o date wo
o said bi ka
o said ono na me cockroach
okay
ntino on fan tweet mama me dey add the Scott o kwa chimada ye fe kro bi
oh man now wondering what to do with your Cerelac 400 gram anasano ope kwan ade be fa so ana ene pachotie the new Cerelac wheat 3 yes and no any the ideal choice I'll bet me ede I refill it eye oten no enti enkoto ten no entry refill it convenient still now among the key nutrients now here no iron vitamin A B and D as optimum growth and development. So grab your value pack at any retail shop near Imuyepa. Abusa ya boy remuna ya de aya irrigated sports atwa this month of March. 12 yards of your favorite authentic wooden print. Not one. Wooden is also, offering you amazing collection and no one ready to wear any toy now in Ghana papa so you 2 years says in Accra wooden shops no away Accra massive wooden shops no obehunu away Kumasi City Mall afe Adom Unicorn House and your Antarctic Plaza building no emu and afe upiem away Sunyani so your part building wooden imagine is ano yes I have you are French kakra make up Debbie Eddie kwame on say dey oh jaisa kasa na fe your room na your fa irrigated sports and traso who knows
well please irrigated sports respected irrigated sports papa so listen to irrigated stop you grow old and you you're out in the Georgia
kumjacha bramu
FM so you listen Prophet Kumchacha I'm listening and I'm here God bless you
amen
But for me din this sisi chum na de bia miti irrigated sports there's no day minti irrigated because miti manage na me stress
Irrigated sports Adom 106.3 FM the FM say John
open here that say kwame
yadwo
emponu mutu zen
oh nyame adom bibia e boko
ye de nyame ase eyi ana
tuma me wo ha
what the nse say adane desktop ana
me aya me laptop no charger
kwaku
ye me yasi nyina na onya bi hye wazo say
oh life of traffic bi ani ade ne so kwaku mensa ebo ne tam kwaku tam no obi anti
me ankasa na me
all the time kwaku na me say na me pa me busa say omo aya mo gimi won
ye be pam wen
na ho mo ti be 430
say time wana mete NTS ana ahwase enimu na no iodinated salt 3 4 5 cities na we na aymachi bi akwai aborum na man bi wo na me wo sa obi a choose oni fie come on move this car from here who authorized you to enter the estate hey masa gas bi gas for na bo gas it is too much
imagine say ayana yen kan fancy obi adwuma ba
na me kan e wo say obi adidi but too much
7 that was one sorry ntem kra no 5 o'clock no sorry na wo ba adwuma Saturday no paka kra na wo be no ofu say ono so na adwuma ye
kwaku me say
wo de mo be loan kakra wo bia very piercing power
me wa so
be ma wa ye mre no nti say ye mu nko ne be ma ye mre na isle ko be ma ye mre wa that's part mule ne so
asemo adwin
na ai fanti new town e wo kumase won fanti new town e wo kumase ai town e wo kumase
Adeng.
The way I got to go for some Brazil press, they say the Kwaku.
Sound.
Like oh, brutal.
Kwaku, some
yeah, Oko Brazil, your teams like a CM, you know, Flamingo. Player near brutal.
One easy. Kwaku,
when you say Congo for Masako for Congo.
Team I have a problem from one.
Make Brazil, I didn't hear Casman.
What's the first thing is a Fluminazi?
And you're Nazi. Now Congo player, crack of Fire.
Opa.
Opening, yes,
I don't wish on the bush and for by.
Kotoko de omuso free Brazil. Kwaku. Boy no boss or abon
na mubo chehwe no na bakwasem se odi na so
brutal ma page me wa video na mane fa video na mane
me bo ma enti Kwaku abranche se wasi akapa na se odi kan bo first team no formally no obo Fluminense
ye na
ni se IF se wo team mu e wo Sweden no san ball Linköping ano obo na Kwaku ni career nyina no obo 77 games or 14 goals. Ni de mi dream mo. Me ba. Oh dear. Ni Morias. Oh yeah. Oh the mama and I me fa last one na. Or say was involved in a serious car accident from the
wow, okay.
Dabi information me say. Dabi information me say can't see na. Me bo chire.
Me tie 2019.
Niti black cloth
they say no I'm sure I from my switch over baby I did to Brazil town
definitely
they say Japan phone now say if was Japan was it a Biana
they mean for you
Morias
in video number 4 the video
the picture na down
no because I watch any be no more no mo say sabe and you obi obubu mo rani akofa
obo nyina was 14 goals they say na okay
in his entire career in 14 goals no
and almost 1 assist. Na players be say na mo players mo tibi say 14 goals in 77 matches no e be na mo pa nkoko obome nkwanta na pepiase bukuru wasadan abene atimi afa league no it say Brazil di obi e say why ball crew
we dey start who na mbaba yo ho adwuma
abendan kwasi sia no very important or say please wish my sweet wife longer life and keep her under his umbrella. Tell her that it Mrs. Patricia Dankwa eya wa ukunu Mr.
Dankwa message ni am if
imode
ma aware
imode ena enenso eye hada unim tema kwa me na
nim se na ye ne birthday ntano potutu na se wi ho ma me
nyame onhira pa na onhira no de yentimi nkan nyame nhyira saa chine adwumafo nyina ene abusuafo nyina ene yenso ewa ha nyina yenna ye wo show
birthday enanu ade ya eko
na ne birthday
kwako also obe akakra se na no ayi
na so sin se wonwoi na so ya
se ye kro ho ade ba country
na why dey no okay ayi ode ama
Brazil ni picture no hwe wan hwe
Brazil ma hu ni picture no mahu
Kwaku ose footballer.
Se utiwe se
na fa tani bi ba kro mo chem se on se footballer.
Oh, but tio. Oh, ho is here.
Yeah.
If Real Madrid.
Yeah.
Any chance.
Sa team sin na pe no. Assemble. Hey, show Chelsea one.
Asante was
Kotoko Brazil. Yeah. Ya boy ni am besi de pato se.
O wi mu dra ko si de.
Browns go ni baby oti. I don't want go.
Alright.
From how ni baby otum for. Ko mo fira na about you say ni nyina tu. Omba me no ombeka. Ansa na me nyama na ko.
But we ko bo.
Yes, 15 years man say.
Ba ko say stadium 2 days show.
Oh, chia. Me yes sir.
Na boy say to drink guitar no be dey.
Yeah, boys in the canam no more.
No akobo. Oh yeah. And I'm wedding no ba be born free na what you.
What's a wedding?
Adam ntibi me nware bia no mewu an.
Wedding na ko up if you dey bia na ya.
Okofia na wife anu a udidi nya no bia me wa betina ya de me nya bia nya.
O min ka so nya
ba ja live band bo. Na for I Graceland no me de kakra bi ni patrep. E ba critical ni adwan obi akọ ne ba bi.
Koshi. Owo ye Rising Sun School. Ewo eye Vivian.
Benjamin was anya ndey.
Already. House of folk. Se bofo bi ho no mo kongrem na itiri mu odia ohun akora no ebo na yo anu agene do ohun anu aboni tu anza no asesa House of Folk eko Congo eko fa player by eno mo ko Nigeria so abani mamani Lawali ebe ball
mamali Lawali
ese da wo ti sadaka obi ofiri ni kuro ma ba kuro ma ball and now share league ya yebo scorers House of Folk team wani ngwase ya kwa kan musi dan na sa na ye no
dan de
Samuel Joel Atolagbe ono na sa de ayi ko FIFA oh yes kwasi abu House of Folk abu no na abu bi kwasi enko ba bi o de ko o de ya na aba na meken okay obani Samuel Joel Atolagbe araho sem ne se ha me no se me de fem na ka bone na da ho no na de tie kwan House of Folk edi to abawie ka chana na
yentie
Lawali, they are still not satisfied. They have not paid the money up to the time I told them, because they have actually shown today that they are not willing to cooperate with anything regarding Kuti. So they have told on the letter to terminate the contract of Lawali, and will be requesting for damages. We'll make a
I don't want to so na
Lebi
see
Bako kan
me o ba be mo and abantie me pagi mo musie ni bi me pe picture ye training musie ni bi na me na ko gina po ano na ba ali na o se no nso no obetwam no pani no voice na to aso pacho boto aso na mapa we tia no nya ko
crafty. Initially we demanded for 10,000 to terminate the contract. They agreed to pay 6,500. Later this 1,500 cash to Ademola Kuti that they will pay it in 3 times. I said there is no way I can agree with that. Pay him off and let him go. And they said okay, they were going to get back to me. They intentionally backdated this letter for some craft that I received today. I have a proof that I received the letter. The player never saw this letter until today. I never saw this letter until today. We never know what is going on. But God is going to be bigger than any of them. I don't care who they are, whether Toby or anybody. I am going to use Kuti to teach them a lesson they will not forget.
Honde ese o ye ikakra ye ne opening kasasa cause
emu ade
so whether Toby enti uze mama nansia ma twe hono de nemum asam na waka no de ni nyina no gyina mu na
ta ponchene a
enti akwano nso na ata no
enti ne wo no wagere
so ekura du baje wo kuro mu ayemete maso so tumatum ne so a na ibe hu se so ta ponchene na oje wo na wo de opani kuma so pa oba loan 1 year okotoko wie pese ye to the scar de trinity so na no de but e wi ase de na ka bede na wa line
na ka bede na wa
de se animi be wu a bo me so
na
ka bede physical background
abani ade sraje am pese me de to kotoko ganifu anim se ya ton $1,000 no na
ya na what you for the no spending
ya fan koto justice blame we management na no mkasa me se management na no.
Yes, soldier for be a pimu na women no said there. Running for their lives.
Helicopter skater. Yeah, no masa ko so mo yi. Yenya bibia mbo mo.
Yeah, I see about
na me kan ti o mu ana ko mo bisikuru bia mo de mo tentempe. Na on the answer o mu twam ko basa. Ka ko mate be.
Yeah.
Dabi
Kwame nipa so ye den
se ya no me ya na ka ho a afa die o na se oni uni
yeah
na kwaku ayi town council na efa he
o na sa assembly for no more
it was kwaku me say
it was the best
kwaku mami bia ne ni tifie na ayi wasiesie on to set house wasiesie na ne ba yem kan no a okuja ne nan a taka so me ba ne se o se na na
oh kwaku kura bai e ka sam dem ba kwaku that town council
pese e wo be fi no chankwa tankas ni bi baba be pio mpofu wan ka se wa yifu
kromo ya ma ne nya tankas pani e wo hoda se dia mampon ma tu je se wudi na bakosem oba na otu wura pa wasama no o ka den tankas ni
no me inspect ama even wadura wo mfufuo na omu inspect mu
what is nicer than this
na wayi o tan
no ma me tin nyina hu sa de no
etina wo so usua
o be progress ya kwa kodu ss na ss duru ha
but am for bakato
say they atonzuom
the boy am bakato say right you are infringing on somebody's right
yes so yeah yes titre ya bajimi bro say jimi ni je
say jimi 11 pro man
am wa tamu de mu hwa nya na ne to no eche kwan wo na
opupu
and dey e gata enye nsuo kura yes so say kodwane po no na obedu as a signboard and was go photo
ye kan kasa na mo amanfo nyai sa semina ne ma no be je om nyai indeed huge traffic a building up from Tessan Hobasa to I now him say could you believe say Akwan he stopped in the middle of the road cars sasu na you know did that thing 3 occasions it me be do in China me really bad as abranche enti wa de awoye enti e ma o so
play and come for
and Justice Blade enti ma this ready am to pay for say $50,000 no he said the skaka crowd omo fa bi obisa omo a e wo sika pa omo o ka bia o de a oh yes omo de ka o
oh you don't sound kanchima no ha dama kanchima na kanchima no errent aso
I know the enye nipa nsa nyankopon ka no edi ntru mo se bema obesam ani mfisa odome ye nti sa no me nso de obi a
da bo nyame do
nipa enye because wa hwa na ye se nyame kura na afese
bude ni mutia kwaku
eti obani na sentem onim
Mariano coach had 35 years very strong
Mariano Barreto meka coach din renge bell bi wa David man
first one instead of ekoye Pareto
oh David Pareto
like to so no me ko boy so
the squad no okay at the starting ball sabre no
my FM adwuma wa ya so front on from me
that's all leave
say o de abana say ento I say onyanya
opani ko leave one no boa me ha
onyanya me friend dire mama CEO of Checklist Travel and Tours Checklist Investment and so why ya mo awoda pa obri e bo afentemfem was it nyame hira pa amwani of Gomwa Brofiedu from his sister Vivian Ba
oh eye Barreto din say likely so beba minim there but a very good coach on the ma Ghana Ancelotti so mun na mu da su unim Oscar Tabara eni musuba mboni nti no na we awa be
afa no wanye sa
as of coach be
wanye sa
ana be ni coach ni ana
dia sa na
dia grow
me say wanye polo ana polo
ni na ye
polo na be kan so mo ka sam na nipa na ntie
send fire by ni sa
eti sa eti obani coach beba kwa bi mfa so attraction beba kotoko afa so no so say onko Congo onko Niger obeko Brazil
e no just obi Brazil
ye players papa ebeko
kwaku
eti se meko Congo akoto player
and I'm going England boom
and I'm saying
one of glory teacher
England for
players na
you can football talent omo ni bi in Brazil
and I'm saying
player be
yeah player about 74 matches was say 7 goals we a player opani unse kwadai kwaje ka pa yan kana asem no de ayanan ko adwabase enti sike so ayaso a ese wo yan tukua se kwadaa no bi on frɛ wom wode omo ba omo bo ni bi
enti kusi kwadaa
we need this youthful exuberance in the Black Stars kan kwadaa ya kwaja da 20 be man say me de omo abeka ko Black Star the same team that's they are so poised for wins
se bia wadi bia me wanya microphone because e wa hey national service for you bad bia
ko trefia
bia boni ade a obo say otia yenkan wachinti
me fancy na dia kan fan chef na o china to aso na asida kese ma Jaisu Herbal Clinic yeda mo asepa say when Ukraine asanboa a prevent blood pressure fe cholesterol be wu mu excess fat and gas ni na so no e be clear no kama party mi ahwe na adi sa adwuma no ayi ni na afio ade amam ene wo Jaisu Black Budo capsules abusuan sa aduru no
na video na me hwe ne say the all kinds of young Kojiano say
blood process so they are not
and one near mom pay
so Dr. Nchoko town
it no enche bia ene na be ye yini ade enti e patcho sa Budo capsules ne de ye be sure kama Ghana for more UK in Portem and contacted Dr. Shadrack Obnanchakwa Milton Keynes +44 7440 Mensa when I feel him there about Takra they are King's Walk and Repatch Ventures and so what kind of fee at 8263357 I said your farmer Bet Borrow. A patrol is about to change with Bet Borrow Ghana. Signing up. Now I make it your first deposit. Now I place it your first for up to 400 Ghana cedis based on your first bet placed. That's in place with our win boost feature and also area available. So go on and enjoy all casino and then live casino Ghana. BetBro Ghana, also be a player, not a viewer. BetBro Ghana is licensed by the Gaming Commission of Ghana. Now, shena wa betting so now wa bet responsibly. Wow, ni peduan bet me fight against infections, disease, how do you na one choir sabia pharmacy. Alternative and dependable bar shops across the country. Health Alert Shop at St. John's and a few P more. Little George Health Shop and also Tema 25 for Binyesa 96. Royal Drinks, or see you go like for Cry Casa Precon Company Limited, an ISO certified company. Akofadiaba. Your Royal Apple, Royal Cola, Royal On Life, and you know about the amounts account. They are available in a shop near you at just 2 cedis 50 pesos. Open the door phrase 0262 351 251 and 027 Nokia 1.3, Nokia 2.4 only 32 gig and a fee 164 gig and so your man more mega operator any other apps no perfectly well. We do any phone shops out on across the country. Ubenya Ode Neubu Remo Dock traffic light Georgia phones. A fantastic offer no. Akonya no horses still on so a bit me account there and you babinya Go TV Max for a discounted price of 60 spicy hot telenovelas fresh from Star Live and our international series ahodwa no crowd e dey ma wo na ni nyina say dwagu ani na mofra no so sweetest kiddie shows ahodo no nyina so no e ko e dey amom ti menye gya ho kra obetimi a connect via short code we a ye be sort Go TV. Love it. You don't want to so much ya sne na ye de irrigated sports to any no and adwuma na wa edoso papa but ye be hwe na ya boni na agum mze boys ni na omwani ko round Doctor akwaba na empom ti saying
na me Adom
I offend they say idra we ni sa na the last time na me person can na course am ladies corner we say hwan ni ade but minim ba bia person di ready no for Johnson
last week ye share yen ladies no or how I high ya woman some your menstrual cycle and then never be until this week ye be share yen general consultation said they aka no ya so ye no ura hope ye wo 4 chambers ma how prostate and nemu yare hernia or how be ha me man dey show hono na ladies ovariances wa woman some enko ye untimi mfa ye funu problem bia kokran weda ono from general consultation no ye walk-in service and no dey ye hwe ne say obeka say ha dey on time ka ye tie boss of emergency and say an outright services we do ho need amount near ya show ye hwe wakoma said the ebo efa when because obp efa and I say almost 70% e will be mpanifo no even ne emranti yakoma no ene kura ni peduanum yenko yemra ye nantini na koma no ne kura ni peduanum sanso na emoja no ana epompe kokoma e ma untimi nante e ma untimi na ejuma wakoma entimi nsisu yie ase wakoma bon tentem obo ho no ma onante kakra bi na koma bon tentem famous doctor me de eya wankasa na mete makoma num asa makoma no eya obi wom asa makoma no e bon tentem me wo hopena efifire timi asa me ho me timi ho eye wakoma e bon tem onante na wadbre wo home intentem wo ho asa palpitation wakoma na ese obo hyehye undi anwaduane undi hwe so obo yi herbal intervention bibido ya resabia ye de bibidro kroje na ye njumani na yaso ye kese ne o Madina Firestone Greenhouse Network wodo ani kire ka so anyanya no road ne so opposite post office won so behu yen wo ho no mo Abeka market abachofa ba kona ne entwetwe nkomo 0248 70 72 70 6185 0243 116185 and 0543 8836 Utiemia Memo Kabasonkumba Herbal Intervention Clinic.
ye ma menim ne papa no se da bi ade bi a wo se ye hye no so se nnuane e di no e fa dodo na no end results no e sichire bu ka se glucose intini na no etimi ma yen sa sichire na so ma yen na so emre a obedi no e be mo nya advantage and disadvantage no be kan sa anase so so papa ene bone eti se wo pese wo hu nnuane se wodi na ye na so hwet aduane ko a ohia se obedi ebre no ene abre no se de be emfa ohaw bia emma obo ho no ma ote ho no mo doctor ma fa aduro na so tentem be so se sia na menum nsuo we na ye nsunsuanso a etimi efi diabetes wo Johnson tentem onum nsuo na wo Johnson wani so na ye onye obo okwa wasa give it up aduro no kwa onum because asa wa ya wo hu hwe ntina ma o give it up men nan give it up herbal intervention wo hama ye be hwe aboa amo ohome na ne huni nurse na ne minimu ni nurse akola bi wo ho na aduro obebi na num asa na watimi ahome because ne huni ni nurse Mr. Tutu anamona asma no de ye woduro so ko an ba ene ne ma bi e be kyerkyere wo ye wo en wodidi kakra bi na fu apu na nafu aye kese na ekuru abanefu mbo se obo hotimi kotena sebe ejana so obetena so saa ontimi nko hwe wasa wonyim na so nye nyinsen because of said obo ebe se ye ma of opesa Madina Firestone ho ne wo kaswa nyanya no road ne so dan so na gege last stop Abeka Market opposite Goil filling station part of number 7072 70 0543 888 336 0185 0243 116185 typhoid atwum humoja ama waye kete betimi aha wo papa ntifeni yi wo hono mo ebia obi wo house me de typhoid wo hepatitis mesro tutu anamona fo ni herbal intervention so ye ne nhwema hepatitis B ye hwe na ye sia no na fo ni eche so ye orthopedic hono dompemu hawo wo arthritis womposo yo ya womposo yo ya onde djuma kakra bi na ohun ete wabubogu ho ma mi be bubogu ho opa bubogu ho no mo waya wod na chia wonhu nya wonye herbal intervention we kan foma anadwi se tutu anamo na me na ye wase na so wonanti mesrew tutu anamo na fo ani kire herbal interventions aso ye ne hwe ne nsi anoma o spine no so ye se ekrobi abam bomodin na fa we so be ma obi o se ma na wonom se dudu be ma o se be chemicals no be kofom ye menu so ntini ntimi nka yare bia na mama o yare so bia ye o Madina Firestone greenhouse na eto AS and dinosaur no be hu ye wo hono mo free ne twetwe nkomo na be bia ha obia ye hwe ne nsi anom 8 70 72 70 ana 0543 888 336 06185 0243 116185 Rokoje Ekwanso.
All right, that dog I say and then so on the bon come fie hwe na ya clear ni na fi onti ye so we musisi na fi ye kan dia kana engum.
Yes. Oh, I say, you know, when I'm for bank. Oh, yeah, I'm true. Mukono. Mukono. The message for no more boom. Baby, sure, I'm no kuno. And here, Jaisu W Papa Brown Sana Waba. So, a constipation, I am try. For Jaisu WMP capsules. No, William for Jaisu WMP capsules. No, William Rebogo. You're fun, much. One time upon a William, I'll go fine. The WMP capsules. I'll go him.
This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
Charlie, in free bets up to 400 CDs. This means whether you spend 1 CD or 100 CDs in bets, we give you a sign up and enjoy this amazing offer today. BetBro Ghana, be a player.
Time it drew, so they unlock it to me. What with TV no more? Upgrade the Go TV Max and the year. Nenyano at a discounted price. 60 pastors, sports, and the kids channels pop baby. Make you stay connected via my Go TV app and any pay by the agent near you. T&C supply. Go TV. Love it.
Sabo pesa e desyon kwa abribia wo hwehwa ma wonni ane awo Efia hwehwe sai dwedi enkrato yi mu agi atomo seye
Hey, me network mafia me e wo se me de mobile money tua me wo fa se wo be move ko Vodafone cash and ka wo be service sika bebre Vodafone cash na se me network ne tie wo send sika wo sawo network no so no yet wo send sika free Vodafone cash e got network bia so a eno so ye free masa inti wa ka try me o da so ye dan wo sawo network no so move bra Vodafone cash se send sika do bia and prend do bia con network bia so free dial star 110
Kaminya and sign we a fenna hana so dear e hear me pa ento ma me fra eno na me di to me ho enti bra emma woni me nimpa ne sanso ma wonto ma ye kama afibo be a semana.
This is Adom FM and this is Jerry Justice.
106.3 FM, all the hits and more. Adom FM 106.3.
When was the last time you heard this one? Yes, Afuni Jenny. This is Name. Mrs. Azu. Yeah, Udu birthday and happy birthday to you. Now, Enkoma Eric, message Bujak. I don't know. Now, Enkoma Eye Obi of Asampa FM. Ebacho unim say geisha soap. It was 7 different variants. Now a bia so e the air na refresh your skin no. Ne color na green. And you want geisha coconut soap. A soften and moisturize your skin no. A white. You come up and no color no a beige. And now you want geisha rose soap. And also the perfume pop and also a refresh and protect your skin no. Color no a yellow. You want geisha neem and basil soap, and also they are tough on germs, mild on the skin soap, and also a tough on germs, yet mild on your skin, and also a white and green. Enti emunche chemu no de on sabe ka bia ye Mr. Wapra baya boa abi ukọ nyanku fie na akohwe TV mu se de ni da was we de sem koto TV we bi mpacho. Don't change your TV. Nemo man sanka nationwide. Now also let me enjoy the feely experience on your HD TV like never before. Quality no 5 times better than standard definition. MTN say among Kaya say from the 2nd of April 2021, Abibi Abako any Momo agent point be as up you. A protector come out, of course, receive your cash, one handle transactions in a safe and secure way. That is why we are good together. Just Momo it everywhere you go. Kiss up say and can't you say. Yeah, that's why I'm or my assurance no say absolutely none can compare. Could ever be better. The joy that comes with being authentic and genuine in expressing who we are, and the knowledge has reminded all of us you bet me keep your loyalty no. And also bebom near castle be your lawyer party. Key bar, key at the bar, as well as key brilliant. That was she Ghana for you now. A happy in. It's all here on Adom 106.3 FM. The meantime, a happy birthday going out to Benedicta Amwamia. All your wishes come to pass. Enjoy your day to the fullest. Now you're free and also no. We're Charles Osu, Oya Forestry Commission. From all of us here, including Kwakuchu. I feel so a blessed birthday and comma Jack Sita in the UK, one loyal listener of Adom FM and Ofie Kwanso as well. May God bless you richly. I hope I got your name right, yeah? All right, so yeah, trust me, kind of chip. In the meantime, happy birthday, encore Enfa Emma, Mr. Eric Minta, Dr. Papa. Makunta Miami Bibia, me fanini agro. Happy birthday to you. Lilia, Rebecca Senyame Osha Wate. Happy birthday. Mumpa Sandindi. Wa the oya minti e no. UK to GH. What I say? Dog, am I kwaba?
Awo. Me just
na empom to saying.
Otwedi ampo yango pa na dom ehaba.
Na so ni nyina mu na ese yetimi ehwe na yekọ anim because ehun hia pa. Dey di kan dog yem room straightforward. Na dear crana sa do no eyede manipadua kan wasem kire.
Yo bemme
yenkọ anim.
Tiefo ene ahwefo a mo hwe Adom tli ya charity Abradon Kofi Morgan a oda Jason Herbal Clinic anono mitia mu nyina afeso mu amwo Ghana a ene me nem wo ha mutime nka so mitia obi bia afi UK sa adofo we mu na afi no adaroma yentin sim se ka Jason WMP kasosa se na odi kan eya na nipa wanwa na me de enyem wanwa esan se o kan Ezekiel 47:11-12 osimundi aduaba no na hahan no ensa yade enti wo oba de nya na eno na Jason Herbal Clinic aseye no yafa enduabna yafa enduahini yafa enduantin na keka abom na de aye Jason WMP kasoso do se o edura ohia a betumi ayi ehyew amaman ene srade afiri hunanduane mu toxics every hunanduane mu no Jason WMP kasosa sa bambo no ebo ho ban papa edikai no se onum Jason WMP kasosa ebo ho ban enafe ebo ho ban efiri obi a owo diabetes ho esan se yefuru kotoko na edidi egumu no eweye no nyina no se hunanduane enya ne de a ne ye waste eba hunanduane mu na ama sabe wona ntika kra na wabre be hu se wona ase atatai na okuma bo peripe na wotiem ya yari so ubi kase menka Jason WMP kaso so 7 dia enye nne ne china
okay
edura enne no so akopɛ na botumi anom eno ne Jason WMP kaso
all right yemfia no so za capsules ode so ede am
okay we 2 in 1
yes 2 in 1 eja ebreni nti ye monitor to na
jerry madama asi yehu ane mehwefo hiru hiame ensi edua na dwono na osofo ame ebre so pro ye duro no by 16 good years ni but the treatment e was ye hwa but enne am ni we say e na aba hospitals ene pharmacy shop chemical dene enya hodene akwa abeso akwa eduma dene asa ba fie enwumne aba eduma dene dia ohia Jason black budu so akwa eduma wonte bre so ba fie na dwo a wonte bre nte basa na sabia mu so hema wo fie a enya afi na beka chense na maburu pe bie no eno na make am fo Jason black budu capsules on amao nti na mema ompeso mu ye mema mu na face na hodene no budu capsules no
wow that's nice yemfa mane de no wono sha
na yakase wo ba sabia mu ye oba
ye krokrom
ye jeje omuso owitimi si abron say toss be edu na ogina soro na the papers na show ban sa wo form na the enkata esa na wo form say gina fa so yo ba na sabia mu be ba wo nchen na se sabi wa ya ase ana se wase sabia mu dikadi wo se me kwa hemfie wa bodja na na fie hemfie ba no na se sabi konfo afi na edin si ade so fita sai how we be anton pe Jason Sema Lady capsules Jason Sema Lady capsules eno ene ma emma eno ene ma wo ba oho woni be ma hia na bia moja edi akire eba ana se sabia mu wayase utinga se wayafa ye number ento dwansa
sure
ansa na yewi a yakọ ni aka so adaroma se opese woni Jason Herbal Clinic ekasa clinic no ewa abrekuma olebu 6 down ewo enkran ha abrekuma olebu 6 9398 0244 529357 020 826 33 5 sister baby a obiano so person ni yen edi ja anase opese uhu se jesu about 0664 any UK number no 0744 07 the offer me the whole number so ebesan edi amao jesu herbal clinic a ye dey habamba edubra any kohini ese ya no na Jerry
quickly and share your friends stroke near the no so
stroke near the Jensen Herbal Clinic. I said the na from you e si ho a ye de ehwe stroke for enko a eno sa no fiat form na wontimi sorry a wo de montam na namfa ne bra Jensen Herbal Clinic aseye so free actually na eba the next day no otimi akọ ansa na wasan ba review Fridays of stroke bia nipa ewo no ye se no enefua makomaku edu9 se oda forma obesori agina abia nka ere bia ho se stroke no nko a Friday Saturday no Jensen Herbal Clinic branch na wo abekuma olebu no stroke mo Jensen Herbal Clinic aseye na yemfa eduro ne enka no
na yenhwe
me ma 14 days obesori anante
wow
so ansora anante a skebia ye nioma ene ya hwe ekwan ye fa so a sa ya de efe no stroke no anase ndwedwe no yotumi eyi free nipa no ni ntinya kwai ni mu ye fa so ya wo pane na ye wo pane oba Jensen Herbal Clinic on Friday Saturdays no Jerry the dia we US echena meba
right no sama number na yen so na Brenna so na news yen fan transfer
664 0744 071 0664 any UK number no Africa na ha say your numbers me 0244 529398 and sign 020 826 339 so open no bi etu aton eye Jensen Sima Lady capsules Jensen Black Voodoo capsules and a Jensen WMP capsules na Patch Ventures Okanshi obebi ato ho Nana Buachi Herbal King's Rock Herbal Nimdie Herbal just atong dia make I say bomodene na fair numbers no na inu endija okay dan kwanyango pon wonte ni nchira ode hye bia that's it
yeah bro yeah fast that kese ma Vodafone o say you use Vodafone cash now they send this come obi or Vodafone cash where free enjoy share equally you use Vodafone cash now they send this come obi or any other network bia so and this one here says boss good day please wish Stephanie Owusu Ayate of at all right. Yes, so the enemy no see akase about e dia ma. Let's say it's check out time nyame oja na onyo kese. Abusia yan so na it's check out time already.